Hi, today I'm going to do a video on the Dream Lighting 12 volt LED reading lights. The incandescent lights that were on my boat were all damaged, the hoods were broken and such, and they looked like hell. So after looking around, I replaced them with these. I got these off Amazon for $29 for a pair of them, which is much cheaper than a lot of the options. Um, anyway, it's kind of hard to imagine what they would look like or how bright they would be, so I thought I'd make this video to try to help. So some of the basics are they consume low power, 0.15 amps, the color is warm white, they put off 120 lumens, which is kind of hard to imagine, but I'll show you what it looks like. And they are fully adjustable, which is nice. So here's a look at me turning them on and off in the dark. I'll turn one or two on and three on, and you can get an idea of what they're going to look like. So overall, I am extremely happy with these lights. They look really good, in my opinion, way better than what was on my boat before. They're going to be cheaper to maintain because the incandescent bulbs are always burning out, and they were tiny and like $4 or $5 each. They put off a lot of light, or enough light for me. I guess I could read by them. They're a little dim, but generally you have more than one on anyway if you want light. And overall, I found them easy to install. So I would really recommend these, or highly recommend them. And you can find them on Amazon. So I'll put a link in below here, so you can try them out if you want. Anyway, if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.